Okay, thank you for joining me. This video is to promote and encourage the planting of fruit trees in our villages, towns and cities. So what we've got here is quite a mixture, some apples, pears, I think there's a cherry in here somewhere, of these fruit trees, with a view to reducing food packaging and food mileage, and people can just help themselves. So yeah, that's the plan. We've done in our little bit of garden here, this vicinity here, some very good neighbours, Jonathan and Hilary, have actually donated these, so that's actually come from them. It's also what I'm going to call an irredeemable investment. Now, you can't take it with you, should we say. There's people out there, should we call them the baby boomer generation. This would be quite a nice thing to leave behind. It's not a fortune to purchase a fruit tree, between £20 and £45, should we say, and what a lovely gift investment to leave behind. Okay, so we've got these ones here. These are donated by my good neighbours Jonathan and Hilary. I've done some myself. Down here. That was nearly epic fail. Follow me. More here. Yeah, so keep that camera rolling. Yes, imagine it with apple trees. We've got cooking apples, eating apples, pears, pudding pears, French like that, pear tart, plum. I've got a plum there. Should we look at this one? That's a plum tree. Plum tree in there. Follow me. Like I say, good to walk the talk. You're going to start asking other people what to do, or telling people what to do. I like to do a bit of that, don't I, Tommy?
Yep.
Yeah. Got a lovely ergamot here, russet. They are delicious. That is yet to go properly in the ground. Really nice. That was actually only £20 on eBay. This is supposedly a Bramley, so that's your cooker. I'm not 100% convinced it's been labelled up right, actually, but yep. So that's the Bramley. Keep coming. Another russet, just gone in last year. Yep. Pear tree. And I think this is a Golden Delicious. But I certainly look forward to getting some more in, some cherry trees. But like I say, imagine if everyone did this around the world, round the country, villages, towns, cities. It'd be great for everybody. Help yourself. I'm going to call it, for want of a better word, irredeemable investment. But you know, you can call it what you like. Act of charity, whatever. It's but certainly the idea as well is it would help reduce plastic packaging, which has surely got to be good for all of us, and food miles. And also, what are we looking at? Bees gone into there. Yeah, there's a cavity wall hole. Yeah, have another video, Tommy, another video. Right. Stick with this. Okay, so yeah, listen to people like David Attenborough, Countryfile team, you know, people like that, Monty Don, all the great gardeners, and listen to what they say, pay attention, get involved, join the wildlife trusts or whatever, do what you can. Yeah, make the world a better place. I'd recommend this book. We went there the other day. Absolutely fantastic place. And I'd also like to recommend, as a source of information, Tony Juniper's book called What Nature Does For Us. So it's again something for farmers to get involved in. Yeah, something for everybody. Okay, thank you very much.